Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Ford Bronco Sport battery. Park on level ground and disconnect the negative terminal first. Begin by opening the hood, locating the battery, and removing any hold-downs or covers. Use proper gloves and eye protection, and keep a memory saver if needed. Lift straight up to avoid jostling cables, then clean terminals before fitting the new battery and securing connections tight. Before you start, gather gloves, safety glasses, a wrench set, terminal cleaner, and a memory saver. Disconnecting batteries can trigger settings loss, so protect your radio codes and presets. Work in a well-ventilated area and keep metal tools off battery tops to prevent shorting. If the battery is heavy, use proper lifting technique or get assistance. Safety first makes the whole process quicker and less stressful. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for waiting while your battery charges or cooling off after a swap, and it fits comfortably in a glove box. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start by disconnecting the negative cable, then the positive to prevent shorts. Remove any hold-down hardware and lift the battery straight up, avoiding tilting to prevent spills. Clean cable terminals and tray, then place the new battery in the same orientation and secure the clamp. Reconnect the positive terminal first, then the negative, and ensure tight connections. Finally, start the vehicle and check lights, radio, and electrical systems for normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.